Hey, this is Mr. Mello with a quick video to help you out with this introduction to percents. So this first one, I really have no idea why this box is here in this question. I think it just kind of confuses me more. So it says 15% of students in 7th grade at Western Middle School have perfect attendance, and there are 220 students in the grade. How many have perfect attendance? So remember, when we're talking about 15%, that's the same as 0.15, so hopefully you have a calculator. So 0.15 times 220 is 33. Again, I have no idea where this 5% boxes are coming from. An unknown fraction is between 0 and 1. What is true about the equivalent percent and decimal? So kind of like I just said, when you're trying to figure out the percent to a decimal, so like in the last problem it was 15, that's the same as 0.15. So if you have something that's between 0 and 1, like 0.15, that means you know your fraction is also, or I'm sorry, the percent is between 0 and 100. This one, what's equivalent to 38%? So we would put 38 over 100, and then we end up simplifying that. So 38 over 100, we could divide each of those by 2. 38 divided by 2 is 19. 100 divided by 2 is 50, and that's as simplified as we can get, is 19 over 50. Here, Jeremiah answers 90% of the questions on his test correctly, and there are 40 questions on the test. Jeremiah writes the expression 40 minus 1/10 of 40 to determine the questions he answered, which equivalent expression. So here we got to figure out if he answered 90% of them correct. That's really the same as 9 over 10. And there's 40 questions, so 9 over 10 times 40. 40 minus 4 would tell you how many questions he answered incorrect, but it wasn't looking for how many he got incorrect. It was looking for how many he got correct. George used the diagram below to help him determine 30% of 60. Which expression could George have used? Okay, so if we're doing this 3 times, 10%, 20%, 30%, there's 3 of them there. So really you're just taking 3 times 6 then. So it would be this one here, the 3 times 6, to give you 18 then.